Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need the Play Store enabled. Open Settings and turn on Google Play for apps. Once done, sign into your Google account and check Chrome OS updates because CapCut requires recent Android support. Make sure storage has at least 5 GB free for a smooth install. If your device is an enterprise or school-managed Chromebook, you must request Play Store access from admin. Now open the Play Store. That's the practical starting point to install CapCut directly. Search for CapCut in the Play Store and select the official developer listing. You want the Android app. Tap Install and accept permissions. Media, storage, and microphone are typical. If the Play Store requests an Android runtime or WebView update, allow it. These enable app compatibility. Once installed, open CapCut and grant any runtime permissions. You may notice slightly different UI behavior on larger screens. That's normal because the app is Android native running on Chrome OS. Open CapCut and set your project folder preferences. You want media access enabled so imports and exports work. Use windowed mode or resize the app for a more desktop-like timeline view. If an export fails or the app freezes, force stop and clear cache from Settings apps, then reopen. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall. Finally, reboot the Chromebook to reset Android services. These steps fix most issues and get you editing smoothly. Remember to keep Chrome OS and the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.